So in this course, I've decided to do something radically different. What I've done is basically I have created an awesome ready-made template that you can see here, and I've included this as part of the course materials, so you get the exact template that you see here absolutely free. And as you can see, this is a gorgeous template and it has all the elements of Bootstrap. It has the navigation bar with icons that I am using Font Awesome actually. So the navigation bar has all the drop down menus, search, static tags. You have the Jumbotron or the main headline over here, and as you scroll down you also have testimonials, because this is a really important part of any website, client testimonials. And you have a full width image carousel over here that allows you to display screenshots of your product or any other gorgeous image on your website, and this scrolls automatically. And then you have also some of responsive elements. For example, you can embed a responsive YouTube or Vimeo video on your website that will automatically scale according to the size of your screen and makes it perfectly compatible for mobile devices and tablets as well. You can put embedded maps, for example, a location to your office or your warehouse or whatever. You can put in responsive tables, and I've gone to great lengths to make this template as real as possible in such a way that you can just copy and paste every single element that you see here and create your own gorgeous website with Bootstrap. And as I scroll down, you'll have more common elements that almost everyone would need to put on your website to highlight the features of your product or your app or your company or your event. And then you have thumbnail images as well. You can easily swap these images with any other image of your own and it will look awesome. And again, I've gone to great lengths to make it as real as possible, so I've included some buttons, button toolbars, drop downs or drop ups, almost anything I can think of that you would need in your actual website, as well as pagination over here and more elements. For example, a blog post with a responsive thumbnail image, a simple ordered list, a fancy ordered list with some really cool icons here, and other examples of what you can do with the default or vanilla installation of Bootstrap. And you have some collapsible groups or accordions over here, buttons that once you click on it will perform a certain action. For example, open a pop-up or a modal window, and in this case display an error message or success message or anything that you want to. Again, I will show you step by step how to do every single thing that I have created on this template, but the template itself is ready for you to use right away. Next, we go to pricing options, sign up, and this is another common thing that you need to use on your website. And finally, the footer section where you can put in your company's address, email for people to contact you, display your latest blog post, and also embed live tweets from Twitter. And let's top that off with a copyright notice on your website. So as you can see, this is a gorgeous website that will scale and respond automatically for mobile devices. But here's the best part. You have up to 16 themes that I have included in the course materials, and it's so easy for you to just switch between themes. So if you don't like the one that you see here, no problem. You can have other themes that look like this, a darker theme, or you can have a flat design theme in dark color, or even a flat design theme in a lighter color. And you can have so many different variations. You will definitely find a style that you like to use. I personally like a minimalist theme like this, which is also included of course, or you can get a bold theme for your Bootstrap site. You can get so many different variations in here. And of course, I also include the vanilla or unstyled version of Bootstrap so that you can put your own custom style or CSS and make it look however you want it to look.